In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the GoDaddy Coming Soon page. If your website is showing a Coming Soon page, and you want visitors to see your actual site instead, this process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your GoDaddy account without confusion. First, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the correct account where your website is managed, because many people have more than one product inside GoDaddy. Once you're logged in, look for your profile area. Click on your profile to open the account options. From there, click on My Products. This section shows the services and websites connected to your account. Take a moment to find the website you want to update, especially if you manage more than one site. When you see the correct website, click on it to continue. Next, click Edit Website. This will open your website editor, where you can manage the current status of your site and make sure the live version is set correctly. Once you're inside the editor, look for the Publish option. Click Publish to make sure your website is pushed live. After that, refresh your website page in your browser and check whether the Coming Soon page has been removed. In many cases, this is all you need to do. Sometimes the browser may still show an older version of the page, so refreshing carefully can help confirm whether the update has gone through. If the Coming Soon page is still there, don't worry. Go back into the website settings and click Unpublish first. This basically resets the website's live status. After that, when you're ready for the site to be visible again, click Publish once more. This republishing step often helps when the site does not update properly the first time. Once you publish again, refresh the page and check your live website one more time. You should now be able to see the actual website instead of the Coming Soon page. A helpful tip is to give it a short moment after publishing, because changes can sometimes take a little time to appear. If needed, try refreshing again to confirm the final result. That's how to remove the GoDaddy Coming Soon page and make your website go live. If you follow these steps carefully inside your GoDaddy account, you should be able to fix it quickly and get your site visible to visitors.